How's it going? Today I'll tell you about the motivation board, something what inspire you and so on. Yeah, for the motivation, actually you can use literally everything. So we'll discuss not only about how to be healthy and fitness, I want to talk like in general, and yeah, I try to be short as possible and quite precise, just shoot right to the point. Everything would motivate you, like any person, any one who can do like a great speech, like, oh, okay, yeah, I'm ready to move my ass from a sofa, go training hard or whatever, or if you have some idea for making great business, just, I don't know, any writer who inspire you or any person who achieve already goal he want to, he can motivate you as well, you can use it. So basically, if we talk about the motivation wall, you can put it on your wall anything you would like to achieve. No limit. You can limit yourself only. So it can be like literally anything, and you can make it in many directions. So yeah, about motivation, a couple more things. Sometimes, yeah, I come from work like super tired and I need to just training and so on. And you know, it was a great thing. We are the free creatures who have a free choice. So basically, you are the one who always make a choice, and it's like a big art of making right choice. For instance, you are the person who decide to choose to wake up 1 hour earlier and go to run or walk in the morning, do your cardio or whatever, or wake up 1 hour later and not do anything. And you are the one who decides you will go to sleep 1 hour earlier for be able to wake up in the morning, or you will watch some stuff on the TV and you will be tired and no chance to wake up early morning and so on. So basically you always have a choice, walk on right side or left side. Basically it's more about to see the opportunity to walk in the right direction. So basically you always choose what to eat. No one forcing you, at least not now, yeah. So you always choose what lifestyle you live in, what you will do, how you will spend your weekend, with who you spend your weekend, and so on and so on and so on. So you always make a choice. It's like a big freedom of huge variety of choice you can make. So basically you some dashboard with your motivations, what you can put it on a wall anywhere, even you stay in really small space, I don't know, you can use something, let's say in the toilet or whatever, anywhere, you can use some space for your dreams or whatever. So basically the thing what will keep your focus in a certain direction, it what will move your focus to shift it to the way you want to move. Okay, so I'll give you a few examples, not be lazy. You can, let's say, print it out some, if we talk about fitness, yeah, it can be about anything. So if you have some bodybuilders, you like, I mean the physical appearance, who you really look like, or you wanna look like same, so each time you come, okay, I wanna look like this guy or so on, and you can come to the mirror, okay, they look the same, no? Probably need to do something with that. So yeah, mirrors never lie, so you always come to the mirror stand and check yourself and you're happy with that or not. If you're not happy with that, just do something about it. And if you're happy with that, what you see in the mirror, okay, just keep going for keep it. Unfortunately, in our biological world, it's no stability. It's only evolution or degradation. Basically, more correct words will be, I'm not such fun, so more correctly, if I would say, it will be progress or regress. So basically, we have a lot of changes every second. Like a lot of cells fight, kill each other, grow, build new one, and so on. So basically, every new moment it's a new person. We change all the time. And you decide, again, you want to change to the better or the worse. Yeah, it's no stability. So basically, or you're working on yourself and you're getting better and better, you have a progress, or you just leave it and, you know, can have a muscle atrophy and so on. It's everything the same about anything, about the creativity, about your memory and so on. If you practice something, it gets better and better. Okay, so let's say I'll choose some fitness models I really like, yeah, and you can put it on the wall, so it's something motivate you and keep focusing you like, okay, what body you wanna have. If some, let's say, bodybuilder or fitness model, let's say Arnold Schwarzenegger, motivate a lot of people. If you think he's too muscular and you don't want to be like so big, yeah, let's say, but still you like his growing career, how he was like hungry for get it what he wants. So yeah, you can put it on. If some people motivate you by speech, yeah, you can put it in as well. Let's say Roy Jones, yeah, he made a great speech, so you can put it as well. If you read a book of Donald Trump and you think, oh, it's great, yeah, you can put it on the wall as well. If you don't like him, don't put it. So yeah, you can take a lot of books what might shift you in a certain direction, like Man Who Makes Shoes, Nike, yeah, or about founder of Zara, whatever, yeah. Movie Founder, it's pretty good example. So it's just an option, it can be like literally anything. Yeah, great split for sure. His speech, I would say, like it's really good. I really suggest to anyone. So basically, yeah, anything you can find online, any guy who do the motivation speech, explain about the training, whatever. It's great. If more people do that, it means more populations will become healthier, become more knowledgeable about nutrition, diet, how to motivate you to get what you want, finally. Okay, you can do it really simple and stick it anywhere. Yeah, don't worry if some of your mates will see like a lot of shirtless guy in your room, whatever, and maybe they think you're gay. Just forget about it. It's just an example. So basically it can be anything. Yeah, if you, for the girls, same. You can find the models who you like or behavior of some person or actress or another leader you really like. You can put it there as well. So guys, you can put girls on the wall. Not for how you want to look like, of course. Let's say what girlfriend you want to have, but basically here only physical appearance, so much better if you put something like sweet, kind, loyal, whatever. And girls can do the same. You can put on the wall some guys who you want to be your boyfriend. Let's say not only physical appearance, same. You can make some remarks, someone who can understand me, respect, take care, whatever. Can be like anything, yeah? It can be some person who, let's say, I don't know, who can, David Beckham, yeah? If you don't like his speech, but you like how he look like, yeah, why not? So it's something what move your focus on. If not only people, you can put, I don't know, some property, let's say, okay, I rent the car, I really like this car, it's really good, I can put it on the wall as well. It will be not so bad for bought it, so you can put a house up here, what you wanna get, or yacht. Yeah, it's really good film, it might be a secret, it's not secret, but actually what I don't like, it's really focused on a prosperity and material things, what's supposed to be more focused on a spiritual growth, more about the social life and your emotional state. I think it's more important, and on the background, all of your material stuff will materialize. Yeah, but still you can watch it. It's really good stuff as well, so you can put anything. If you cannot find a certain thing like house which you wanna get, or motorbike or whatever, you can draw it. If you're not really good in drawing, just practice for a bit. At least you put your energy inside, your focus inside. I was drawing when I was a kid, it was okay. At least I think it was okay. Nah, it was fine actually. But I practiced for that. And I didn't draw anything for a while, and then I stay in temple for meditation. It was some practice for keep your focus, for get out of thoughts and drawing mandalas. mandalas is kind of, let's say, systematic explanation how you perceive the world through your 5 sensation, whatever. It's have different mandalas and have a different meaning, and you just draw it, saying the first one was really terrible, but in a week later, and with practice, you know, just keep focusing, just enjoy your time, and you getting better and better. And this, if you're familiar with Mansuama de Broad, fractal geometry, so this fractal things looks really beautiful and precise, and it's not like you're drawing people or nature, basically a lot of small parts, but it can be a lot of combination. And you know, after a week later, it looks alright. So yeah, if you practice for 1-2 weeks, you can draw anything. So you can put like literally anything you want. If you're really religious, you're Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, whatever, and something you really like any symbol, whatever, you can put it as well, what you feel good. But what I noticed, some symbols, it's somehow it's a bit destructive. So usually I meditate and get out of my thoughts, really focus on a certain symbol, and you know, many good symbols, but for some reason it not make you feel good. I don't know. And someone it's make you feel fine. So everything just play with it. Everything what make you feel good, yeah, why not use it? So you can, I don't know, it's a huge variety. You can put anything here as well. So just don't limit yourself. If you have not enough money, okay, just make some pictures, put it there. If you, I don't know, I just for fun print some, just you know, just make some funny picture. Just for show example, what else can be a good car, good house, whatever. You can make a picture. If you cannot make picture in a good car for see yourself, and then you can go to any car salon and just make a picture there. I don't think so someone will mind, or you can make picture in a hotel or whatever if it's so bad. Yeah, let's say you don't have enough women or men attention, you can make picture with some pretty girls. Basically, if you don't know any, you can go on an exhibition center. There are a lot of pretty girls, for instance, and whatever. It's just an example. It can be literally anything. So any source you have, literally any source, just use it. Any guy you're watching on a online video or whatever, he make any speech and you like it, yeah, then use it. If you cannot read, let's say you drive, just put on an audio. You can use an audio book. And let's say, Cannibal, when I watch a video and I look at the program, I think, oh, damn, it's like a man who became a biological machine, because I try to follow the program, complete it, and it's really difficult. So like anything I can find, okay, it's really good task. Okay, I'll try it, and so on. So I try to read more, listen more audiobooks, and some people who get success, and when they explain their life story and so on. For everyone it was not easy, so yeah, I'm gonna use it. So today I will not be lazy, I will do something creative, something what I wanna do, and so on. And basically it works well for me. I ask some other guys to work for them as well, and if you watch, oh my god, I forgot the name, sorry, but if someone into the psychology, a lot of psychological videos how you can program yourself. So basically it's one of those things what keep you programming yourself. If you're familiar with Carl Gustav Jung about our subconscious mind, the power of our subconscious mind, actually I try to use name what might be familiar to you, what undiscovered, but you still can use it, and actually power of your visualization, when you visualize your things and connect it with emotions, works much more powerful than say you read some mantra. Let's say self-programming. When you come to the mirror and say, okay, I'm like really comfortable, rich, healthy, good looking, I feel better and better every day, so you can say anything you want. So anyway, if you stay with your mates, your parents, whatever, don't mind, they can hear what you say it out loud. Just they should know you're confident and you feel good. Why not? And that kind of things, program yourself. You can do it every day. You can do it near the mirror or whatever you walk to the work, your university, whatever. So it's real program yourself to behave and to be a certain person, to move in a certain direction. And visualization works even better. You can use this one, you can use a picture, you can sit in a park, whatever, in your apartments, relax and visualize a picture you want to have something, or how you want to look like, you want to lose weight or you want to gain weight. Just make a precise picture, play with that. Probably first time, maybe week, it will be not good at all, but still, like in anything, you will get better and better. So as better you are, you make a better visualization, it will bring you closer to your goal. And after, when you know, okay, I want to make my small business, these things, what I really like, what I want to, and after your mind start to work how to making new connections, new thought, how to get to this point. So basically you, the one who will help yourself. And it's pretty simple. So, yeah. I try to be short, I don't want to make like really long video and try to be precise, so probably it's quite enough for the beginning. Make your own wall, put everything there, just print as much stuff. I found it very working. So print as much stuff you can, just put it here, put goals, who you want to have, the house, how you want to look like. You can write, okay, I want to be 55 kilo or 95 kilo or whatever, I want to earn $3,000 a month, $10,000 a month, whatever. I want to be creative manager because I like it, or I want to have my own travel agency because I'm really fan of traveling it. I will enjoy send people to the trips or whatever. So anything you want, just create it. So probably it's more difficult task. Just think what you really want to, what you really enjoy, to where to shift your focus. And that's it. Hopefully it will be, it was interesting for you, it will be useful. And next time, yeah, we will discuss a bit more about the different stuff, what can motivate you, what can help you to the self-programming, what might help you to visualization and so on, maybe share some other exercises, etc. Alright, so motivate yourself and see you tomorrow, I guess.